Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today we show you how to cook the perfect soup for a winter day. Combine 1 liter of water with 1 finely cut onion in a pot. Boil for about 15 minutes until the water has a yellowish color. Add in 3 finely chopped leeks. In a skillet, combine about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil with 1 grated carrot and saute until the oil turned orange in color. Add in 1 tablespoon of flour and continue to saute. Add the carrot mixture into the pot. Later on, add in 1 diced tomato and salt. Cook for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes of cooking, add in a handful of vermicelli and cook for 10 more minutes. For the dressing, whisk 3 tablespoons of yogurt with 1 egg yolk. Then add water from the pot to warm the mixture and finally mix the dressing with the soup. Cook for 2 more minutes by stirring on low heat. Leek soup is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!